Welcome to Ralph Bender's YouTube Shortwave radio channel.
Back from Sweden. My name is Michael and I'm the extra from Gothenburg in Sweden. I heard your program on 7700 on the 21st of July between 19 and 2030 UTC. A lot of correct details and also some screenshots and audio files. Thank you very much. I'm not much into 60s music, but what I heard was a good mix of great artists from that era. Nice jingles that make the program more professional than many of the other pirate radio stations. I'm 52 years old and work as an archivist. I've been at the extra between 1985 to 1990 with a small break until 2020. Well, hopefully you are listening today to our programs, dear Michael. And this one is coming from Germany, from Bonn, from Thomas Becker. We could make some advertisement for the FRS Holland Summer Splash, so thank you, dear Thomas. Reception was very good, he writes. And to all of FRS Holland, thank you very much for those 6 hours of fantastic music and programs. Really, it was a wonderful journey, this Summer Flash. Joachim Trusch from Germany. Last Wednesday I was very pleased to also benefit from the very good reception on 6275 to the extent that I could really enjoy listening to your whole 2-hour program. First Dave Scott and then you, Peter Verbruggen, with all that very, very interesting review of events in the year 1967. I used my Sony 7600 and the inbuilt telescope antenna to provide good reception. By the way, that was an extra repeat on midweeks on Wednesday, 3 weeks in a row. So that was apart from the Sunday evening transmissions. Thomas Drescher thanks us for our last QSL card, was hearing us on the 21st of July on 5940 and 7700. The best reception was 5940. Thank you, dear Thomas, for a long-time listener, one of our longest listening persons. Thanks to Terry from Paris in France, who was listening on 5940. And Kees Waagman in Noordwijk in the Netherlands, he heard us on the 21st and the 24th of July with stable signals. Thank you to Nick Sharp. And he heard us on 7700 kHz and Rainer in Monschau in Germany on the 21st of July on 5940. It's 10:28 on the free radio service Holland.
Feel happy. Take the FRS